Hello everyone, welcome back to the Logging In channel. Today for this episode of Logging In, I will be showing you a process for how you can get no beard filter on TikTok. So for that, you go to the TikTok application of yours. Once you're at the TikTok homepage, you need to tap on the browse option on the bottom. Tap on browse and there on the search bar you type in no beard filter. There you can see on the top, you tap on that. Now you can see all the TikTok that are made on this one. So here you cannot actually use the filter because originally no beard effect is a Snapchat filter. So then you go to the Snapchat, you tap on the browse icon or the explorer, and there you tap on no beard filter. And there you can see all the option of no beard. Now here you just tap on any filter that you want and you start record. And you can see this is how the filter looks. You can see the beard has been removed from this picture. So here once you have clicked the video, you can save it to your draft and you can use that video on TikTok and upload it as TikTok. This is how you can use or get the no beard filter on TikTok. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging In channel and also don't forget to click on bell icon for the notification. Thank you.